First up this evening, two St. Elizabeth families have been plunged into mourning after a motor vehicle crash claimed the lives of 4 females on Saturday. The tragic crash occurred along the Fonthill Main Road. Now, while conflicting reports have emerged regarding the circumstances surrounding the crash, police investigators are probing to determine what exactly led to the collision. Shamela Pullen explains.
The fatal crash happened around 5:30 p.m. on Saturday afternoon along the Fonthill Main Road, near the well-known border rest stop. The collision involved a black Toyota Voxy minivan and a Jamaica Public Service JPS truck. The impact was brutal, leaving the minivan mangled and its occupants dead. The victims have been identified as 30-year-old Janine Dawkins, the driver of the Voxy, 10-year-old Antwasia Legister, 12-year-old Janelia Dunkley, a student of Magotay High School, and 17-year-old Janado Dunkley, a student of Lacovia High School. All four were residents of Brighton District in Santa Cruz. Reports indicate that the group was traveling towards Santa Cruz in the Voxy minivan, while the JPS truck was heading in the opposite direction when the collision happened. Among those left shattered by the tragedy is Pauline Dawkins, the mother of the deceased driver, as relatives and community members struggle to process the sudden and heartbreaking loss.
My daughter leave home to go to Brookfields, only to get back the news that they making the accident. Both she and her daughter and 2 neighbors passed away. Don't get much info yet because it's just somebody who were traveling behind them send the message.
Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, commented on the fatal crash, which brings the death toll to 10% higher than last year's for the January 1 to 10 period.
So in one single crash, we have visited on this country a terrible tragedy. One news report suggested that the driver swerved to avoid a pothole and crashed into the truck. The police report only says that the driver was in the wrong lane. So investigations will continue and we'll get further details.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.